If you know that you don't have any business with skin lightening and skin whitening, I understand. It is normal, it is okay. This video is not for you because I wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful, and loving people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and the first time of coming around, you are welcome. So today I'll be talking about how to know your Vista lotion well, like how to identify the fake from the original. Okay, I've been talking about Vista Plus on my channel because the first time I talk about it in a certain way that some people do not like, so I went back, I did my research again. Now I'm back with another research. So if you want to use this lotion or you are currently using this lotion on it already, then you want to watch this video to the end to know how to use it not to have white dots. Because the truth is these products can give you white dots. Like if you are among the few people that are using it and it's not giving white dots, then congratulations, you are really lucky. You are really lucky, but this lotion gives white dots, okay, if you are not careful and you don't know how to use it. So I'll be spelling how to use this in today's video, so if you're interested, then keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Okay, welcome back. So before I go straight into today's video, I need to talk about something. If you know that you don't have any business with skin lightening and skin whitening, you don't like the idea, you don't like hearing about it, I understand. It is normal, it is okay, okay, but you are not, this video is not for you because you don't like it, okay. So I don't want to see any hate speech at the end of this video, maybe commenting and making people that really want to do what they want to do feel in a certain way. It is not going to be tolerated here. So that is why I'm just saying, if you know that you don't have any business with skin lightening and skin whitening, then do not watch this video. This video is not for you, okay. So now moving on, I'll be talking about the Vista whitening lotion and how to use it properly to have a glowing skin, like a glowing LD skin. Yeah, LD. Because I love your LD skin. No matter your skin tone, if your skin is not healthy, then it is not a good skin. But no matter your skin tone, if your skin is LD, same color, your face, your neck, your hand, your leg, and everywhere is just glowy, evil, hydrated, moisturizing, plump, then that's a good skin. It doesn't matter whether it's fair or it is dark. So this lotion, I've talked about it before, but I was talking about another point today because I just found out some new tips about this lotion. So number one thing about this lotion is that it is a whitening lotion. It is a whitening lotion. I just lightening. It is a massive whitening lotion. It lightens you without knowing. Maybe you want to lighten fast or you want to lighten slow, because it is a very fast lotion. And another thing about this lotion is that it is not very moisturizing, my own opinion, because I like when my lotion is moisturizing and it helps take care of my skin and keep my skin from becoming dry and flaky. So I like when my lotion is moisturizing. So in my own opinion, Elizabeth, this lotion is not very moisturizing. And in my own opinion, again, this lotion can give you green veins. So you want to watch out for green veins and white dots. This lotion is capable of giving you green veins and white dots. So now let's move into how to use this lotion for a healthy, moisturizing, glowy skin. So I'm not going to talking about mixing. I'm just going to talking about two products today, if not three today, to mix in this lotion to get a very healthy skin. Okay. So the first oil I'm going to be talking about today is the Dermavio Rescue Oil. This is it. I got this oil for, I can't remember clearly, but I believe it's around 3,000 naira to 5,000 naira. Yes, depending on your area. So it is 100 ml. Is it even up to 100 ml? It is not up to, it is 75 ml. So I got this and I got this and I got the Miracle Dam tube. I still like the Miracle Dam tube up to today. You know what I did? This lotion, I mean this oil, I mix a little bit of it. I pour this lotion in a bowl. I mix this oil into this lotion and the skin miracle gem tube. Okay, I mix the miracle gem tube in this lotion and this rescue oil inside this lotion, and I mix my Vis Gold oil too inside this lotion. Okay, And the reason why I mix this one is for moisturizing. This one is for skin treatment, for stretch mark, for dry skin. And this oil is even very, very good for post pregnancy and during pregnancy. You can rub it on your stomach to prevent stretch mark after birth and your skin, all those things that do come out. So this oil is very, very good for that. It is written on it. Oh. It is not me like saying it is written on it. And it is tested and trusted. People have used it and they've claimed it works for pre and post pregnancy stretch mark. So this one in basic language, this one is for treatment. This one is for hydration, moisturizing, and even tone skin and to heal damaged skin. This one is for whitening, lightening, brightening. You understand all the thing. That's what this one is for. So now let's move on. See these comments here. This person said fake Vista lotion is too much that it damage your face. Number one thing is I'm going to come back to the fake. I'm going to talk about how to identify the fake and the original. So you want to watch till the end. So you won't spoil your skin. Stop skipping, okay? So number one thing is this lotion is not for your face. It is not for your face. It is body lotion. Body, see, whitening body lotion. So why will she use it for her face and she'll be claiming it damage her face? It is not for face. So that part when it say damage my face is fake information because it is not meant for your even the manufacturers won't be all responsible for that, like damage somebody's face. Because they'll tell you that it is written on the body that it is body lotion. So they don't know what is making you think you can use it on your face. Even though some people use it on their face and it's fast, it's work for them, that's because they are lucky. I don't know what else to say about that. They are just lucky. But that's because somebody else is doing it and they are getting away with it doesn't mean you should do it. Don't use this lotion on your face. It is not a face lotion. So another thing in my opinion is that this lotion can give you dark knuckles. So when using this lotion, you want to really, really concentrate on your knuckles and you want to get knuckle cream. This lotion will give you dark knuckles if you are not careful because it is a very, very fast lotion. It works very, very fast. So if you want to use this lotion, you need to watch out for all these things I just mentioned. And another thing is watch out if you are stretch mark prone, watch out. If you are green vein prone, watch out. Like you know that if you use any small products, you start having eczema on your body, watch out because this lotion is a fast lotion and I don't think there's anything you can put inside to calm it down. The only thing you can do is reduce the usage. Don't use it every day. You can use it like 2 to 3 times in a week or in a month. You can just use it like a week in a month, and the remaining 3 weeks you don't use it. This is how I use mine. I don't use it every day. I am not keeping record of how I use it, but I don't use it every day. I am using it alongside the Cinderella lotion. The Cinderella lotion is my lotion. If you ask me, that is my lotion. I use morning, I use at night, I use it every day. But this one I don't use every day. Anytime I feel like my skin is looking dull and dark and just needs to brighten and glow, that's when I will use it for like a week. I use a week consistently for a week and I will stop. And while using it, please scrub your skin so you won't come back telling us that it did not work. You need to scrub your skin at least 3 times in a week so you will have a very, very fast and good result. Okay. And when using it, be careful of dark knuckles. You need to add moisturizing products into it. So if you cannot add moisturizing products into it, that's why I'm talking about this oil today. After using this lotion, then seal it in with this oil. This oil is going to provide your skin with the moisture it needs, the hydrating, the shine, the glow it needs. After applying this one, then go ahead and apply this one to seal it in. So like this, it will be giving your skin that moisture it needs because this lotion is not very, very moisturizing in my own opinion. And don't use this lotion during the day, okay? Don't use it during the day. Use it only at night. So if you use it at night and you use the oil at night, it is going to work well. So this is a very, very sweet combination. These three products, it is a very, very sweet combination, like very, very sweet combination. Imagine treatment for anything treatment, any skin problem, use this one and miracle them. For moisturizing, glowing, even tone skin, repairing of damaged skin, use this one. And for whitening, brightening, lightening, anyhow you want to use it, depend on your usage, okay? Use this one. So what else? What else? So that's just how to use the Vista whitening lotion so that you will not have problem with it. And don't use it on your face. If you are looking for face cream that is very, very good, I would recommend the Orbit 20 face cream. I'll put it on the screen so you will know this Orbit 20 face cream is very, very good. It is lightening face cream. to keep your skin clean. Like it is one of these face cream that will clean your face. Like your face will just be glowing. So the Obi 20 face cream is very good. You can get, and it is not very, very expensive. Even this lotion is not expensive. So these are things you can do on the budget, but you must be careful. You must be careful when using it. You must take caution, and you must always look at your skin very well. Like, okay, how is it working on my skin? Like, ask people, ask them, what do you think about me? Like, ask a trusted person that you know, so that will tell you, they will tell you the truth. Okay, so you need to be walking out there thinking you're looking good and you're actually looking funny. Okay, so now let's talk about how to identify the fake and the original. Now, this is it. The very first time we got this lotion, we bought the fake. So you want to be careful so you won't get the fake. That's why I'm here for you. So one thing you need to notice is that there is this barcode here. Let me come closer. I'm trying to look for you. You will see. Okay, I think this fine. Okay, this fine. This is the barcode. This barcode here, it is written vertically, and the numbers is written vertically, like it is going in the same direction. Do you understand? See, this is the numbers and this is the barcode here. So if the barcode is like this and the number is like this, then it is fake. Don't buy it. Okay, but if the barcode is vertical and the numbers is also vertical, then that's the original. That's how you know the original. So another thing you need to notice is the expiry date. Make sure you look for the expiry dates on your products, okay? Because they will sell expired products to you and they won't tell you that expired, because who wants to lose? Nobody wants to lose, everybody wants to gain, okay? So check the expiry date. That's one mistake we make when getting skincare product. Because they're getting in the supermarket doesn't guarantee that there is no expired product there, okay? So your skin is number one important. I'm not saying you should not trust all these supermarkets or all these vendors. Trust them, but trust your instincts more and do your own findings and assignment too. Okay, so that's number two. And number three, the number three, which is the final tips I'm going to give you in this video, is you can't see it, but I will still point it out for you. At the bottom of this lotion, there is something written in white. It is like white on white. Okay, so it is written there like looking good associate international limited. At the bottom here, looking good associate international limited. If this looking good international limited is not in your own, if you have Vista Whitening Lotion, be checking it as you're watching this video. If it is not in your own, then you got the fake. Okay, you got the fake. But if it is written white on white, even if it is written in another color, it is not white on white, it is fake. But if it is white, like it is like engraved, they engrave it inside the bottle, like looking good associates it is like when they engrave something, that's how it is. Then this is the original. So I just save you from wasting your money and how to get the original Vista White, so you won't be like me and my friend that got the fake. So if you don't, I did not get everything I just in this video. That's why I always say it, watch it twice, so you will get everything I just talk about. Okay, everything I just talk about. Okay, and this lotion is made in Nigeria. Okay, so there will be the fake, but because it is made in Nigeria and it is good, that's why they are trying to make the fake, just to get their own part of the cake too. Okay, so you just have to be careful. I've done my part, how to use it not to have green vein, white patches and all of that. And I even showed you how to get a moisturizing skin, and I even showed you the usage depending on how you want to use it. Okay, I've done my part. Let me drop one more nugget. If you are dark skin and you are watching this video and you are looking towards lightening your skin, please don't jump to this lotion. Do it a step at a time. Go from dark to caramel to all this shade, but do it slowly. Don't just pick this lotion and say you want to use it because I say it is very fast. This is for people that already have fair skin. I just want to go brighter. If you are dark skin and you just want your skin lightening journey and you want to drop onto this one, then this is a wrong step. Okay, don't do it. Take it a step at a time. Okay, now I'm so happy making this video for you. Now you know, when I told you that there is the fake, you know what to do and how to get the original and how to identify the original from the fake, even when you are buying from your trusted vendor. Okay, So thank you for watching up to this point. Thank you so much. And at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you will catch more good, informative video like this on my channel so you won't spoil your skin, okay? When you spoil your skin, it is very, very hard to get a repair kit and all of that. And it's very, very hard to get your skin back in healthy way. Okay, that'll be all for today's video. And I'll see you in the very next one. Keep glowing, keep taking care of yourself and look beautiful. Okay, you are all you've got. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.